Now let's just move on further and talk about the question number 3. It says check which of the following are the solutions of x minus 2y is equal to 4, and the options are like 1 is 2 comma 0, 1 comma 1, and third one is root 2, 4 root 2. So if these are nothing but the solutions of this equation, then the LHS would come out to be equal to the RHS. So let us suppose if we are taking x minus 2y as my LHS, if this is my LHS and this is my RHS, then LHS should come out to be equal to RHS after substituting all these points in the LHS. So let us suppose if we are taking the LHS as, we have the LHS as x minus 2y. So let us suppose if we are taking the very first part, we have 2 comma 0. We have 2 comma 0. It means we can write x as nothing but 2. We can write y as nothing but 0, because we have 2 comma 0. It is expressed into the formation of coordinates. It is x comma y form. So x is 2 over here, y is 0. So x is 2, y is 0 over here. Let's just substitute these values over here. So if we'll substitute x as 2 over here, it will be 2 minus of 2, and y is 0, it is 0. So 2 minus 2 into 0 is nothing but 2 again. So definitely it is not equal to, the RHS. It means this is not a solution of, it is not a solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4, because it is not satisfying the equation at all. Let's just talk about the second part. It is 1 comma 1 coordinate. So x is 1, y is 1. Let's just substitute the value. So x has 1. If x has 1, so this is 1 minus of 2. Y is 1. So it is 1 minus of 2, which is minus of 1. Again, it is not is equal to the RHS, because RHS is 4. Hence, again, it is not a solution of x minus 2y is equal to 4, because definitely it is not satisfying the equation at all. So if it is not satisfying, it is not a solution. Again, it is not a solution. Let's just talk about the third part. So the third part is root 2, 4 root 2, means x is root 2 and y is 4 root 2. Let's just substitute both of these values over here. X is root 2 minus 2, y is 4 root 2. So let's just sort it out. So this will be nothing but root 2 minus 4 into 2 is 8 root 2. So this is 1 root 2 minus 8 root 2, which is nothing but is equal to minus 7 root 2. So minus 8 root 2 plus 1 root 2 will be minus 7 root 2. Again, definitely this is not equal to the RHS. Again, this is also not the solution. It is not a solution of this equation. It means all of these are not the solution of x minus 2y is equal to 0. But let us suppose if I am taking a particular point all by myself. Let us suppose if I am talking about the fourth part. Let us suppose if I am adding the fourth part all by myself as nothing but 4 comma 0. Let us suppose if I am taking the fourth part as 4 comma 0. So let's just check 4 comma 0 whether it is a solution or not. So if I am substituting 4 comma 0 over here, as we know, x is 4, y is 0. Let's just substitute x as 4. X is 4, y is 0. So it is 4 minus 0, which is again 4. Hence, it is equal to the RHS. It means that 4 comma 0 is the solution of this particular linear equation in 2 variable. But all these points are not the solution, because LHS is not coming out to be equal to the RHS. So this is all about the question number 3rd. Now let's just talk about the question number 4th. The question number 4th says that find the value of k. It says find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is the solution of the equation this. So if these are the equation, if this value is nothing but the equation of this particular equation, then it definitely satisfies this equation. So let's just start the solution of this equation. First of all, we'll say if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is the solution is the solution of 2x plus 3y is equal to k, it implies it satisfies the equation. It satisfies the equation. If it is a solution, then it will definitely satisfy the equation, and if it satisfies the equation, then let's just plug in all the values in the equation. Let's just plug in all the values. X is 2, so we will get 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. So it would be nothing but 2 into 2 is 4 plus of 3 is equal to k. Hence at the end we are getting k as nothing but 4 plus 3, which is 7. So k is nothing but is equal to 7. This is nothing but the solution for the second part. We just wanted to find out the value of k because it is already mentioned to us that x is 2, y is equal to 1 is the solution of this equation. So if it is a solution, then it will definitely satisfy this equation. If it satisfies the equation, then we have plugged the value of x as 2, y as 1 in the equation, and at the end we are getting k is equal to 7. So this is all about the question number 3rd and question number 4th.